What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So TONOR have sent me out the microphone stand for review. I have the T20 Studio boom arm here, and it's a good addition to my collection here because I have a Yeti mic, and this Yeti mic here needs something to put on. So they sent me out the boom arm here for review. So let's go to put this all together and see what it's all about. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So TONOR have sent me out the T20 studio mic here for review. So let's go over this, see what it's all about. So in the box, this is what you get. You get your array of stuff here that gets you started when you want to record in your studio. They're going to give you the arm, which is the suspension arm, which is nice. Also, they give you the little coupler here. This is what you need to put this on your desk, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. And they give you the pop filter, which this here comes very good and handy, especially when you're using a mic. Also, they give you some clips here, and also if you have a slide up mic there, you can use this also. Then they're gonna give you some things here, which is great. Also, they're gonna give you a pop filter. So I do have the Blue Yeti mic here, and I do already have a pop filter on there, but let's go ahead and set this up. All right, guys, so I have the arm ready to go here, and I put my Yeti mic on here, and that's good to go. My Yeti mic is not too heavy, but this boom stand has a payload of 4 pounds. So I got everything connected here, and all I got to do is just slide it on into the pole here, and I'm good to go. So yes, as you can see, I got the pop filter on. I got the Yeti mic on. I'm ready to connect this part to my PC, and I'm good to go. And as you can see, it has really good tension on it, and you can make the adjustments accordingly here. And I'm good to go. I can adjust my pop filter, and as you can see, my pop filter is right in front, and I can do everything here. All right, guys, so this is the TONOR adjustable mic here. And as you can see, I got it here on the boom stand, and it takes about 4 pounds. So yes, it will fit your Yeti mics, and it's nice and tight, and I can move it, go side to side and stuff like that. I think this is going to be a great addition to what I have going on here, because I do now can sit down and relax and have a mic right in front of me. And my Blue Yeti mic is a very good mic for good quality audio. You can pick this stand up here. Is at Amazon.com, $29.99. So for 30 bucks, you could get this awesome boom stand. And I mean, this is nice. Think about it. They have a lot of boom stands that cost a lot of money, but this boom stand here is only 30 bucks. It's a heavy duty clamp stand that you can put your Yeti mic on, and it works. So I can adjust my mic, go up and down if I want to, and what you're listening to right now is the mic itself. I have this plugged into my computer, and from the computer, I'm gonna just take the audio file and then match it up with the video. I do like the pop filter. You can make your adjustments accordingly, which is nice. So when I'm doing my videos, I can have this mic right here, and I don't have to worry about audio. So this is nice. I will leave all product links down in the description below. And this is a very nice addition to my collection here. It comes with a pop filter for your mic if you didn't have one. And it comes with the adjustable pop filter, which is nice. I do like the design of it. It is a nice design, and you can make all your adjustments here at the top and here to right here in the middle if you need the arm to have a little more tension, which is nice. So it's flexible, and you can go up and down and stuff like that, which is nice. And I am glad I like this. This is nice and premium, and it's good to go. So I will leave all product links down in the description below. And man, y'all let me know what y'all think. about this TONOR adjustable suspension boom scissor mic stand with the pop filter included. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the TONOR boom mic in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace. I like this. Make it look nice and professional. That's what I'm talking about. Thank you very much for sending this out for review. Wow. Later.